Welcome to News 9, and we are here with SSP Chaurasia, multiple time European Tour winner, and also an Olympian with us. He will tell us about how he is thinking about the season, upcoming season. Asian Tour have actually come up with two new events, and how things are actually going upswing for all the golfers. If you could tell me more about how has been this intermittent period last year when COVID-19 actually cut down on so many tournaments of professionals, and how did guys like you cope up with the entire non-inclusion of so many events on so many various tours, including the Asian Tour?
Actually, to be honest, I'm lucky because I'm playing Europe. So I know a couple of players playing who play Asian Tour. So they don't get chance last 2 years. So that's a very tough time for them. But finally, they announced 4 tournaments, including Saudi. I think 5. So hopefully next year everything is normal. So we're just expecting that.
You have been on the European Tour, and initially it was more about the bio bubble. And now Asian Tour is also following the similar pattern when they are having two events in Phuket. So now things are eased up, or is it the same difficulties or the bubble? You have to also cater to the quarantine rules and all.
I think they follow the bubble things because the first time Asian Tour event happens, so they don't take chance any. So I think they follow the bubbles thing. And Europe, it's get everything normal, to be honest. Yeah.
Mhm. So, if I may ask you how you are gearing of this new season, what are the tournaments that are lined up for you? What are the next events that you are thinking of going for? And Asian Tour with so many events, and also European Tour. How are you balancing both the tours?
Well, yeah, I'm playing the same. I'm doing same thing as last many years. So and basically, yeah. Next, my next plan is I'm going to play Spain. Most probably, I'm just applying my visa. Hopefully, I'm getting next few days. So and next event in Spain and Portugal. So and after that, I think I'm going to play Asian Tour 2 events in Phuket.
So many great memories of this course with you, especially when you won the Indian Masters here, which was one of the biggest prize money events. And I think that was the biggest paycheck you had in your career when you won the Indian Masters here at the Delhi Golf Club.
No, I think I got the biggest check in Avantha Master. That
Okay,
was
okay.
the biggest one. Yeah, but also Indian Master was quite a big check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was the first one actually for
Yeah,
you.
it was the first one. Yeah, no doubt. It was great. Yeah, I have a good memory. Lots of positive memory. So I always, when I came here, I always remind all the positive things here and took that thing and play.
Your short game has always been been praised by so many golfers across the world, by European Tour members, Darren Clark. You name all these European Tour champions, Darren Clark, and so many of them. So obviously, this course actually helps short people with short game, with good short game. So obviously,
This course, to be honest, yeah, it's a short hitter. If you hit a straight, basically, you get the advantage. So, and like me, I'm a short hitter. So, and this course shoot for me, to be honest. And I was making lots of money with this course, to be honest. So, yeah, and my short game is a strength part in my game. So, I always keep sharpening my short game.
in fact, you also overturned the perception at DLF where all these long hitters came, and you snatched away the title in the 2017 Indian Open when so many long hitters were finding it difficult to go on the slopey, undulating fairways and also that uphill side from the 16th to the finishing 18th. And you played your short game. What was your strategy at that moment of time?
That was actually, I was thinking so many times. Yeah, I mean, it's very tough course, long course. So the thing is, my short game was like superb that week. So I think that's why I won the tournaments. And people are doing lots of mistakes, and I'm doing less mistakes. So the only reason. Yeah, but that course, one of the I think best course our country. Even if I say the like I didn't play before like that kind of course in Europe also. So this is the DLF one of the toughest course I think.
If I may ask you, like next season, what will your be targets for the next season? Like, what is your year-end target, or for the next season, what is your target? What do you want to achieve next season?
Well, this season almost finished. So next year, I'm focusing more Europe because my category I'm losing a little bit. But again, I think I'm getting 15, 12 to 15 events next year. So I'm focusing there, and also I'm playing Asian tour. So let's see where I play better. If I play better Europe, then I focus there. Play Asia, then I'm focusing in Europe, so, Asia.
This was SSP Chaurasia with us. He has been a multiple winner on the European Tour and also on the Asian Tour. So that's all for now. For more news and updates, keep watching News 9.